Hello, Rich Christensen here. I'm so glad that I get to spend a few minutes. I'm nervously excited today. I'm formally announcing that I will be writing the next book, which is The Zigzag Principle. This is the follow-up book from Bootstrap Business. You're indeed my network that helped Bootstrap Business succeed, and I thank you so much for that. I will be calling on you again. In order for me to have a success, and I'm attempting to put this book on the New York Times best-selling list, in order to do that, I have to have a bunch of pre-sales. I've had all my friends, all my associates, all my contacts rally around me, and indeed, I'm asking you to please pre-order this book. In order to do so, I know I got to give a ton of value to you. The first value that I'll give to you is Garrett B. Gunderson will be hosting an event called Financial Enlightenment that is a rock star event. This will save you tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars on how you approach your financial life. They have a nerd network that will help you analyze your taxes and your insurance. And besides that, it's actually a lot of fun. That sounded awful boring, but it's not. This is a great event. Valued at $500. If you pre-order Bootstrap or Zigzag Principle, you'll get this event for free. Furthermore, I'll give you a free copy of Bootstrap Business electronically for free. You get a sneak preview of an introduction and chapter 1 of Zigzag Principle for free. And I just really appreciate your attention to this and hope you find great value. Indeed, this is an incredible concept. It's life-changing. It's the best that I have to offer. It's fundamentally how I have been able to successfully approach my businesses and increase my success ratio. You're going to love it not only in your business life, you're going to love it in your personal life. It's how we naturally live. Thank you, and have a wonderful time with this concept.